If you're looking to set team-wide time tracking policies, this video will walk you through a clear step-by-step approach that gets your team on the same page, fast. Time tracking can be tricky if not set up correctly, but today we're going to simplify it and make sure you know exactly how to get started. First, understand that your time tracking policy should be aligned with your company goals. Whether it's tracking billable hours or just staying on top of project progress, clear guidelines will help employees know what's expected. So start by defining why you need time tracking in the first place. Is it to improve productivity, ensure compliance, or monitor project timelines? Whatever the reason, make sure your team knows and understands it. Now, decide which tools or software you're going to use. You've probably tried a few, but the software we'll be using today is a solid option that covers all the bases, whether it's for small teams or larger organizations. We've tested various tools, and this one stands out in ease of use, feature set, and integrations. If you want to follow along and try it out for free, there is an exclusive trial available in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Next, outline your specific tracking rules. Will everyone track their time every day, or will you set a weekly cadence? Should employees track the start and end of every task, or just block out time for entire projects? You should be specific here. Let your team know exactly how to record their time, so there's no room for confusion. Clearly state if you're tracking for internal reporting, client billing, or both. Each purpose might require different types of data. Set boundaries for acceptable time tracking. Will you allow flexible working hours, or do you require a standard workday for consistency? Make sure your team knows how to track overtime, breaks, and off-the-clock hours. This will avoid unnecessary disputes or confusion later on. To make sure the policy is consistent, it's important to educate and train your team. Implement an onboarding process where employees are introduced to the software and shown how to track their time properly. You can host training sessions or offer resources like videos, guides, or a quick FAQ to answer questions they might have. It's also a great idea to set regular check-ins to make sure the policy is working for your team. Gather feedback, make adjustments, and let your employees know that their time tracking efforts are being monitored but not micromanaged. Transparency is key here to maintain a good working relationship while keeping your time tracking system efficient. Lastly, review your policy periodically. As your team grows or your needs change, your time tracking policy may need to evolve as well. Don't forget to stay flexible and open to new tools or approaches that could improve your tracking process. Key takeaway: setting a team-wide time tracking policy is all about clarity, consistency, and communication. Define your purpose, pick the right software, set specific rules, educate your team, and periodically review your system to keep things running smoothly. To recap: 1. Define your tracking purpose. 2. Choose a tool that fits your needs. 3. Set clear guidelines for time tracking. 4. Train your team. 5. Review and adjust your policy regularly. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to test out the software we're using in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.